Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie here, right? Before we get into it, if you like the videos that I post, like the videos, there's a thumbs up. If you dislike them, hit the thumbs down. Fine, right? Comment, share, subscribe to the channel if you're not, all right? We're gonna go over the trilogy, all right? Starting with, I'm gonna start with the shaver because it's just real quick. We're gonna run down the shaver real quick. So you buy the shaver, $99, right? This whole set is made for traveling technically. That's why you will get a hanging hook like with the shaver and stuff. So you get the auto shut off cover, which I showed in the unboxing, but you don't know how good that is until you actually using it day in and day out. Not that you'll forget to turn it off, but it's just good because you still got that protector. And it comes with a protector. It's like you just put the lid on, boom, you're good, right? Got the lithium ion battery, high-speed rotary engine, that's 10,000 RPMs, 3 hours of runtime with the LED indicator. That's the biggest thing with this set, right? And I'm gonna show you that it's like these clippers and the trimmers, the shaver, it's like they don't wanna die. They don't want to. They wanna stay alive as long as they can. I've used these for 2 weeks. I used the shaver and the trimmer for 2 weeks. I used the clipper for 1 week straight, right? Neither one of them died, which y'all know when I'm doing my reviews, I like to fresh out the box. I like to see how much battery power that they gave us fresh, right? These gave us 100%. I don't like to plug them up until they completely die so I can see how long it takes to charge them and then how long after you get a full charge it takes to completely die, all right? So we're gonna start with the shaver. Very lightweight, very quiet. These just a little bit loud. I just wanted to show for reference, right? So, of course those had the auto shut off too. I just like them, so it came with it, right? So, as you see, auto, boom, shut it off, right? And I like that because it's not like they had to do any extra technology. They didn't have to go, what's that? Just the gray hair. Look at that gray hair. They didn't have to do a bunch of extra technology to make that auto switch happen. They just made take the button up, shut it down, right? The shaver is $99 on the website as we speak. I don't know if it goes up. I don't know if it goes down. But as of right now, $99 on the website. Very lightweight. Battery power is like, let me take it back off. Battery power after 2 weeks, and of course these are not back-to-back use like the clippers and the trimmers, but there's items out there that you can not use and not plug up and they will die, right? So for that to be only 75%, I mean still have 75% left, that's great. That's the shaver, worth the buy, definitely. $99. We're gonna add some clips of here of me using these, but I don't want to make this video long. Because I want to do it all together. I don't want to waste y'all time with trying to stretch it out with multiple videos. Don't have time, right? So let's get into the trimmer. Very lightweight, ergonomical design, comes with the charger and all that. Never had to use it because it's 2 weeks in and boom. I'm talking about, it's like they won't stop going. They won't, all right? You get the gold blade, the black cutting blade, yeah, very lightweight. Using it, lining up, especially on the front, the forehead is very nice. Going down on the beard line, very nice, all right? The only negative that I had with this fresh out the box is that it was like too sharp, all right? Even if you light-handed, with a tap of the way it was, as y'all seen in my other video or the unboxing, it was just way too sharp for me, right? But once you get it set, and it does take some time to get set, but once you do completely get this set the way that you want, it's butter, right? It cuts through anything. It's very smooth. I have heard people say it's a little tuggy or scratchy on the skin. Maybe that's the way they have them set or trying to use them fresh out the box. I don't know. I can only really talk from my experience with these trimmers. These trimmers is $149 on the website. Again, will it go up? Will it go down? I don't know. As of right now, $149. Are these worth the buy? 100%. I'm trying to do this without trying to compare them to any other one, any other trimmer on the market, because we're going to save it for another video, all right? So 150, 149.99, 150. You should definitely give this a try. If you don't try anything out of this set, I say the trimmer is definitely your go-to, all right? The shaver is great too. It's very lightweight. I like the gold shavers that they had, the silver shavers that they had, because it's a little bit more weight to it. And I like that weight in my shaver. It's like when I'm going across the skin or when I'm going across the bald head, it just glides a little. It's like that weight, it just helps it move. You get what I'm saying? So I like that, right? Boom, get to the clipper. This is the FX3 Babyliss clipper, right? You see my unboxing, got 2 speeds, 6,000 RPM, 7,000 RPM. As you can see, battery's still there. We still got battery. This is where you opening it, boom, wide open. This comes with your guards. It comes with a 0.5 up to a 6. The guards are great. They very, I won't say flimsy, but they not high durable, right? But they get the job done. The only problem with the guards is their 0.5 is a little thick, fading out. So when I was fading and using this, I had to switch back and forth between say my wall magic clip just on a 0.5 just to get that little extra line out, because it didn't seem like that guard really got into it the way I would want it to. All right, but you get 5 hours of run time. They won't die. The only problem with this that I have is that there's no lever. Now these, I could see these being a big staple for somebody who uses this style of clipper. I could get used to it. I use so many different clippers, so I mean, I'm gonna probably stick to my magic clips or my seniors, or something like that, just because of what I'm used to. But the best thing about it, if you do start to use these, is that when you're fading, boom, you just go right there. Those are your clicks. Those are your click levers. I would make this a little looser, because when you're moving, sometimes it's a little tough to move. Not tough like it's impossible, but the great thing about this is the 5 hour run time, cuts through anything, wet hair, dry hair, curly hair, straight hair. It's gonna glide through it. That's the best thing about these. Will these stay in my rotation? Yes and no. I won't use them. Like, I'll probably put the guards in my guard graveyard and only use these for, like, if I want to cut down some bulk, or if I want to glide over an afro, or a high top fade or something of that nature, because this is a great clipper. I mean, it's great. It's a great clipper, which is funny for me to say that I probably won't use it as much. It's just the design of it. Not a bad design. So, I mean, it's a great clipper. These are $220 on the website. Will it go up? Will it go down? I don't know. $220 on the website. If you have a chance, definitely give these a try if you have the chance to. $220 on the website. I'm talking about once you use them. I've talked to some other barbers that they have gotten used to the design of them. Maybe they've used some like these before. I've used the JRLs before, and I used the 380s from Caliber. But these, with the battery life and the sturdiness of these, I think these are good. Again, with the little ergonomical design, great for fading. If you get used to them, you get used to them. Again, great clipper. Is it worth the buy? Yes. Some barbers might not get used to the feel of it, which is that's a personal preference. That's the one thing that I can't say that you should buy or not buy because of. You get what I'm saying? You definitely should buy them because of the 5 hour run time, cuts through anything. I mean, the 2 speeds. This set together is a great trilogy. Each one of these products. Now these 2 right here, I'm keeping. They're staying right here on my station, not going anywhere. The clipper will be used every now and then, especially if it's like You know, your kids, the kids come in, the parents say get it as low as you can, but still keep the hairline. Boom, you pull these out, cut through, boom. Smooth cut too. I'm talking about smooth butter. All right. So 220, 150, 99. That's my quick rundown of the FX3 collection from Babyliss. Is it worth the buy? Is the shaver worth the buy? Yes. Is the clipper worth the buy? Yes. Is the trimmer worth the buy? 100%. What's that on my glasses? Got dirt on my glasses. The trimmer is definitely worth the buy. If you don't try anything else, again, I'll say it. If you don't try anything else out of the collection, try the trimmer. Try the trimmer. Try the trimmer. All right, and we out. If you like the videos, thumbs up. If you have any questions, hit your boy up. We'll talk about them. I just ran through these real quick. I'm pretty sure there's something I left out. It happens. If you dislike the video, thumbs down, comment, share, subscribe, like, all that good stuff. And I'll be back with something else sometime soon, hopefully. Peace.